This is what you get here in Baguio. This is the view right now at Irisan here in Baguio City. That's where the golf course where Manny Pacquiao is training. See the clouds coming from La Union. There's supposed to be a huge mountain over there, but right now you can see it's because of the fog. It's coming down. It's a nice golf course down there. Six years ago, there's not much resident living down there. Now, so much changes after a short while. Baguio is not the same anymore. It's not the same as before. It's getting more populated. It's going down to Irisan Road. Yeah. If there's not much clouds or fog, you can see San Fernando La Union from here. But now it's too cloudy and foggy. Sometimes it reaches up to here and just so thick. Yeah. There's so much sayote down here. It's very common here in Baguio City. And here are the ornaments. So if you want to buy some ornaments, just drop a message on this video. I'm gonna show you what's interesting today. Two cute little dogs, which is about 3 months old, and they never get any bigger. See? There they are. Hi. Say hi. Yay. They look like rats. They're so cute.